Everyone is paying for Harry Potter studio in Tokyo, but this place is completely free to visit. No crowds, no tourists, and almost no one knows about it. An entire Harry Potter themed train station hidden in Tokyo. Da-da-da-da. I arrived here by metro, and honestly, this is where the experience already starts. If you want to find it, get off at Akasaka Station and take exit 3B. And you'll know you are in the right place immediately, because you'll literally hear Harry Potter music playing in the station. I wasn't expecting much at first. It's just a metro station, right? But as soon as I walked in, it didn't feel like a normal station anymore. Feels like you're already at Hogwarts. Look at these walls. And they also have special lamps, which gives you, this kind of atmosphere of magic. The whole area is all about Harry Potter. There is this staircase right in front of you, like dark red tones, photos on the walls, and halfway up, a huge time-turner installation. It actually feels like you are stepping into the Harry Potter world, right in the middle of Tokyo. And what surprised me the most, for some time I was completely alone here. And I came around 1 p.m, which is usually peak time in Tokyo, and I had the whole staircase to myself. And that's so rare for anything Harry Potter related. And apparently this whole area was redesigned because of the Harry Potter theater show here in Akasaka. So the station is just the beginning, and once you walk up those stairs and step outside, you'll notice it continues. On the right there is a theater where the Harry Potter show is happening. They're showing Harry Potter and the Cursed Child here, and the whole play is in Japanese, and even though there are subtitles in English, Korean and Chinese, it can still be a bit hard to fully follow. But if you have time, it could still be a really unique experience. And if you don't have time, you can come here just for half of the show. So for one person, for weekdays you pay 8,000 yen, and during the weekends, holidays 8,500, and full show 13,000, 14,000 yen. I didn't have enough time for that, so I just looked around, and right next to the theater there is an official Hogwarts acceptance letter display. It's definitely a fun spot for photos. And on your left there is a map of the whole area, so you can see all the Harry Potter spots around here. Then we have a whole street right in front of us of Harry Potter. Also they have a shop which I definitely should check out, and a cafe right here on the left. When I came here I didn't have a reservation, which honestly is not the best idea, but somehow I got really lucky. They told me there would be a free table in about 30 minutes, so of course I decided to wait. And I personally think it worked out because I was alone, but in general getting a table without a reservation here is pretty rare, so I'd definitely recommend booking in advance. And I'm so excited to order their famous cake in the shape of owl. It's gonna be fun. So while I was waiting, I explored the area a bit more, and I found this Harry Potter store nearby. It's called Mahou Dokoro. From the outside it doesn't look that big, but once you walk in, there is actually a lot to see. I would be a good student. They have over 800 different Harry Potter items here, from Hogwarts uniforms to character vans. Malalai malalai, bring me 1 million followers to my channel. And of course, the classic platform 9 3/4 photo spot. I felt sorry every time for him. One of their best sellers is this time-turner charm, so apparently no need to borrow one from Professor McGonagall anymore. The store is just one floor, but later in the video I'll show you another Harry Potter store on a completely different scale. So I spent here around 30 minutes, and before I knew it, it was time to go back. So let's head back to the cafe. I have a reservation at 3:30, but you have to be here 5 minutes before your table time. Anfisa, arigatou gozaimasu. Oh my god, wow, it looks so fantastic. And it's not just a coffee place, it's more of a full sit-down restaurant. They serve full meals with a very detailed, almost theatrical presentation. And honestly, the interior surprised me the most. The colors, the lighting, it feels like you're sitting inside of a magical library or some kind of wizard's inn. There is even a huge glowing wand installation in the middle of the room, which makes the whole space feel even more surreal. And this table napkin is so cool. I'm gonna
gonna keep it just as a souvenir.
And I would say the food isn't cheap, like most sim cafes in Japan, but you're really paying for the experience.
What I'm really excited about, I think this one, the mini cake Hedwig. And here is my dessert.
And I came here in the middle of summer and it was incredibly hot outside. So the air conditioning inside actually felt a bit too strong, so maybe bring something light with you just in case. And there is also a small area inside where you can buy themed souvenirs, so it's not just about the food. And of course, take as many photos as you want.
For eating like a Harry Potter, I paid 3,000 yen.
The cafe is actually inside a shopping mall, and before leaving, I checked the second floor. And that's where I found this, the certain head. Yes, the same one from Harry Potter. And it's actually interactive. If you touch the tip, it starts moving. It was such a random find, but honestly, a really fun spot for photos.
So let's take a look to whom I'm belonging to. Da-da-da-da! What do you think, guys? Please write in comments. Here are some options in Japanese, unfortunately.
So if you're here, don't skip the second floor. And while I was there, I started talking to two local girls, and they told me something interesting.
At Harajuku, 2 months ago, they opened a new huge store of Harry Potter,
and it's much bigger than this one. So of course, I had to go.
Our big new store of Harry Potter is located at the station called Meiji Jingu Mae, Harajuku, and we are looking for exit number 6. So I just went from downstairs here up from the station, and right on the left we can see a huge Harry Potter store. Let's get inside.
And honestly, this place is hard to miss. The store is huge, like really huge.
Hello.
It's actually one of the main Harry Potter flagship stores in the world, alongside London and New York. And you can tell immediately it's not just a store. It feels like a full Harry Potter space. There are photo spots, movie props,
and have a look at those moving letters. That's so cool, and not so many people actually notice it.
And even a Butterbeer bar inside. The whole store is designed like the Forbidden Forest, so you'll even see magical creatures around you. And yes, Buckbeak is here too.
And Halloween is very soon, so of course they got a whole shelf. Halloween topic.
So on the first floor you'll find all the main merchandise from all 4 Hogwarts houses, plus some items that are only sold here in Tokyo. Then you take this really cool escalator and go up to the second floor, and it completely changes. It's inspired by honeydogs, so you'll find things like chocolate frogs and every flavor beans. There is also a van section where they help you choose one based on your personality. And of course you can get the full Hogwarts look here. Ropes, ties, everything.
That's so sweet. Look at it. I really like it.
And if you want something different, there is a Butterbeer bar with exclusive drinks and desserts.
It smells really nice here, and many people I can see right here. The station. So in the second floor there are way more people. I think it's better to go first upstairs and then already shop downstairs, just in case there will be too long queue to buy things.
This place is definitely impressive, but it feels very different, you know, bigger, busier and much more known. So if you're looking for something more quiet, I'd still choose Akasaka, because turns out the best Harry Potter spot in Tokyo isn't the one everyone is paying for. It's chief managed. And if you are planning your own trip, you can use my code and get your guide to save money on activities not just in Japan, but anywhere you travel. And if you want to plan your perfect first 24 hours in Tokyo, watch this video on your screen next, and I'll see you there. Пока-пока!